Today is all about energy, thermal energy. Just listen.
Everything nitty, I love when it's hot. Turn to the city, I rock all the knots. Got some more millies that keep me a knot. I created history, it made me a lot. He tried to diss me and it don't fuck.
It's all about that energy today, right? Thermal energy. In fact, my question to you is this. How is energy related to physical changes in matter? How is energy related to physical changes in matter? That's our question for today. In fact, you see it all the time. Like, what is the difference between heat, and temperature? Or, let me run in here. How is energy really conducted? I mean, words like boiling or, what about just this spatula? Why is the top made of rubber and this part made of metal? Why don't we use spoons like this to stir with, but we use spoons like this to stir with? Well, 7th grade, my challenge for you is this. In this challenge, you will have 1 week to create something that will keep something either hot in a cup or hot in some type of bowl. Your job is to create some type of device or some type of thermos that will help keep something hot. All right? Not only will you have to create this device, it must be created, of course, out of random everyday garbage. I want you to look around your house. I want you to see what you have. And as you guys are throwing things away over the week, what could you make that will help, for example, keep Miss Davis's coffee hot? But I'm looking for the person that can keep it hot the longest. So what does that mean? I want quantitative data. Show me the numbers. Quantitative data. I want you to record your test. I want you to use your phone or whatever device that you have to keep track of whatever it is that you are creating. I want to see your journey. Not just that. To Google Classroom, I posted some vocabulary. In using those vocabulary words, I like for you to explain how your thermos or your contraption works. Again, you are creating some type of thermos that's either going to keep, I don't know, a soup hot or coffee or tea hot. If you have a thermometer, great. Because what you could do is you could test how hot, you could test your data in, I don't know, 10-minute or 5-minute increments using a thermometer. But if you don't, I want you to use words like hot, warm, lukewarm, cold, freezing. If you don't have a thermometer, then use time, right? Every 5 minutes, this is what you are feeling. So, some of our words that I'd like for you to read about, and you can find the readings posted in Google Classrooms, are words like heat. What exactly is temperature? How is heat transferred? What does it mean when we talk about conduction, convection, radiation? Who exactly is Kelvin? Don't forget my boy, Fahrenheit. In my class, we only measure in, you know the word, Celsius. What does this have to do with all this thermal energy? A word that you learned years ago, phase change. What exactly does it mean to be at a freezing point? At what temperature does something actually melt? Melting point. You saw my water in there. Boiling point. You hear this in the water cycle. Condensation. Phase change or states of matter. Evaporation. And all that moving around that those molecules are doing when your stuff is hot. That kinetic energy. So, I posed this challenge. Today is, oh my goodness, I'm starting to forget today. Today is actually Wednesday. Hey, what's the date? The 25th. This is terrible. Today's date is March 25th. Can you believe it? March 25th. We've been in the house, I think, since the 16th. But March 25th. Today is Wednesday. So, you know what? I'm going to give you a little longer. I'm going to give you till next Friday to upload your video all about that thermal energy. And I cannot wait to see your data. So when you upload your video, you can upload it to me in Google Classroom or just send it to my email. You know my email, sistersesteem@gmail.com. It's easier for me to use that one because I'll upload everything right into Google Classroom. I'm excited to see what you guys have, what you create, save them. So when we come back together, we can take a look at it, and who knows? Somebody might be able to keep my coffee warm all day. And if you could do that, my top 3, I got something for you, right? Something for you. But I'm leaving you out with, it's all about that thermal energy. What does that mean, 7th grade? And I'm out.